Sin tus caderas no puedo cantar. Sin tus caderas no puedo gozar. Sin tus caderas y movimiento mi ritmo y música va a parar. Sin tu cadera mi melodía no vale nada. Sin tus caderas mi ritmo no se llama el sol. Sin tus caderas no hay fiesta, no hay ron. Sin tus caderas y movimiento mi ritmo y música va a parar. Sin tu cadera mi melodía no vale nada. Ay, 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 a la sierra.
Hola, amigo. Have you been off-roading, brother? So dirty. Look, we have 3 washes, the red, black, and gold. But as you're my first customer today, I can do the gold wash at a special price. And you're lucky because we fixed the foam dispenser last night, so it delivers just the perfect amount of foam.
Muévete, ay, muévete, dice. Muévete, mami, ahora muévete, muévete. Bueno, señores, señores, en el tren anda Doni. 3-0 de Manigua. Ajá. Ah, sabroso. Doni. Ajá. Muévete, mami. Eso. Muévete, mami. Dice. Ay, muévete, mami, anda. Muévete, muévete. Muévete, mami. Muévete con mi son sabroso que te traigo ahora. Muévete, mami. Ajá. Muévete, mami, ahora. Muévete, muévete.
Hello, amigo. Welcome to Ride and Shine. I'm gonna level with you. We've had a few issues with the car wash and the levels of foam, but the main thing is that it's perfectly safe-ish.
Safe-ish? That's reassuring. Look, man, my ride is smoked. Hit me up a gold wash and let me have it.
This is taking too long. I'm looking at my watch, and it's a beautiful watch. Look, I'll take the gold wash, but I am only prepared to pay half of the asking price. It's a fair deal. Take the deal. It's a beautiful deal.
I have no words. I'll take the deal. Look, take the gold wash. I'm frazzled. And here's your ride. Dressed to the nines.
Yes, it's a very clean car for sure. One slight problem though, my ride is orange, not yellow.
Look, there's our car, dear.
Come on, let's get out of here before that crazy foam wash malfunctions again.
Well, what a day, guys. At least we can rest up now. Oh, man. Are you kidding me? Oh, come on, man.
Sin tus caderas no puedo cantar. Sin tus caderas no puedo gozar. Sin tus caderas y movimiento mi ritmo y música va a parar. Sin tu cadera